Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. The Supreme Court on Monday refused to entertain a petition challenging the Haryana government's decision to enforce the use of Hindi in all subordinate courts and tribunals across the state. Stop. There is nothing wrong in Hindi as the official language of subordinate courts in some states. Stop. 80% of people do not understand court proceedings in English. A bench headed by Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde said while asking the petitioners to approach the Punjab and Haryana High Court. Stop. During the British rule for recording of evidence, the language used in subordinate courts was the vernacular language, the Chief Justice of India said, adding that Hindi was being used in Madhya Pradesh, where he had served as Chief Justice of the High Court. Stop. Petitioner Sameer Jain contended we practice in courts of the Delhi NCR and making Hindi mandatory will make it difficult for us to argue cases. Jain said he was not against Hindi, but making it mandatory would make things difficult for lawyers who argued their cases in English. Stop. The Chief Justice of India clarified that English be used with the permission of the court. Stop. Initially, the top court was ready to issue a notice to the state government on the petition. Stop. However, it changed its mind and asked the petitioners to go to the High Court after Haryana Additional Advocate General Arun Bhardwaj pointed out that the law under challenge was a state law and it would be better if the Punjab and Haryana High Court dealt with it. Stop. 5 lawyers had challenged the validity of the Haryana Official Language Amendment Act, terming it arbitrary on the grounds that it created an unreasonable classification between Hindi and non-Hindi speaking advocates. Stop. They contended that the amendment was with the assumption that everyone practicing law in Haryana not only knew Hindi but was also fluent in it. Stop. To say that imposition of Hindi was for people of the state and necessary to get justice was wholly irrational. They added. Stop. Contending that the amendment precluded the use of English, which was used widely to conduct legal proceedings. The petitioners said this has impinged upon the right to freely practice the legal profession and earn a livelihood as guaranteed under Articles 14, 19 and 21 of the Constitution. Stop. They said imposition of Hindi was not fit for the state as it was an industrial hub and home to multinational companies where people from every strata of society resided, a majority of whom were not fluent in Hindi. Stop.